Hey guys, it's Stacy with Hairlocs. I'm here with Tony. We did a consultation and she let me know that she wants longer hair. She's been rocking short hair for about a year and she's ready for a longer, fuller look. So to achieve that, we're going to use 5 bundles of Hairlocs I-tip extensions. Follow along for our amazing hair transformation. Okay guys, I just sectioned Tony's hair. It's very important that you're going to start at the nape of the neck and work your way up, ensuring that your rows are nice and neat. I've just finished up her first row. Like I was telling you before, you start at the nape of the neck. You want to go about 1 inch up, and that's because you don't want to lift the hair and the cylinders show. We're going to go right into the second row. So I've just finished her second row. When Tony came in today, her cut was a little more blunt, so her rows are going to be a little closer than I would usually do. But with that being said, I'm going to alternate 2 different colors for a seamless blend throughout. We're making our way through her install, but I wanted to stop on this row and show you how to properly install an I-tip. When installing an I-tip, you're first going to want to grab a tiny section of hair, making sure you're keeping crosshairs out of your way. The section's going to be more narrow than wide because you don't want it to be any wider than the cylinder you're putting on the piece of hair. You're going to take your threader and loop that hair, keeping it very taut to the scalp. Bring your cylinder all the way up. Loop the hair through the cylinder, bringing that straight down with no over direction or elevation. You're going to take your I-tip, pop that into the cylinder, making sure that the tip is not exposed. Use your pliers and clamp down 1, 2, 3, and that's your I-tip. I've just finished sectioning Tony's hair for her third row. Typically, this is the longest row of your install because it's going to be ear to ear, connecting the back to the sides.
Hey guys, Tony here. I just got my full set of extensions for my very first time with Hairlocs and I absolutely love it. It's very thick and very light. It's taken my hair from short to long. It doesn't feel heavy at all. I'll definitely be back in 6 weeks for my adjustment.